With Bob and Jack, we're in La Paz. Tell me what happened today.
Well, today we limped down from Loretto because we had no front end. We just bounced down the road for a few hundred miles. We got here, we got reference to a VW shop here in town, Geraldo VW.
Geraldo VW, man, they were awesome.
They worked on the car. They had a machinist. They made front shocks for the car. It was unbelievable.
Yeah. From scratch? They just built them?
Yeah,
they took shock blanks and made shocks.
They took shock blanks, made bushings, made shocks.
Everything to make them fit.
It was unbelievable, and they were the nicest people ever. And all they wanted was for us to put their decals on the window.
Well, which sticker are they running?
These right here.
Geraldo
VW.
Geraldo VW. Yeah. They sound like stand-up guys. How's your adventure going here in Baja?
Oh man, we're back in the race tomorrow. We're like so fired up. We can't believe it.
It's the adventure of a lifetime. We've never imagined it to be this good.
Yeah.
Now, have you guys done any rally before?
No.
Never.
First one?
Hardly ever driven on dirt roads.
We've done a lot of pavement racing, both of us, for a long time, and we decided we got to come down here and do it in the dirt with these guys, and it's beyond our wildest imagination.
I see now why this is the happiest race on earth.
Yeah.
It's the happiest
This
we've
is
ever
a
been
must
racing.
do every year, as long as you can get up and do it.
How do you feel that the Porsche 911 is holding up? How is it suited for this kind of stuff?
Well, you know, we did part of it right, and a competitor of ours, a friend we've met, I hope a lifetime friend, Ned Bacon, he has the other part of it figured out. So we've decided to collaborate and put our two ideas together, and I think we can build two winning cars. But it's you know, two minds that are going to come together, I hope. So we're really excited about that.
That's fantastic. Well,
new friends.
You've got one more day.
Yeah.
How do you think that's going to go?
Dude, we're ready to go.
You know,
we're in the race tomorrow.
We're fired up. We just want to get down to Cabos and be there. You know, one way or the other.
We're going to be there.
We're going to do it.
No doubt about it.
I don't know how difficult it is tomorrow. The car is limited on some of the terrain. It just can't do it. But we're going to go for it. And you know, if it's not the worst part of the terrain, we can probably make it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming and racing at the 2013 Nora Mexican 1000.
Man, thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
It was an unbelievable deal. Thank you so much.
Thank you.